Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Well, you might be wondering which category to use for your YouTube videos. Actually, many of us ask the same question, mainly because some of YouTube categories are kind of, not so distinguished. You don't know what to use in which case depending on the topic of your video. So what to do in this case? Well, obviously, let's look at what popular channels do and let's look at what some popular videos do. So there is one easy trick how you can do that because YouTube is not showing that info when you open the video. So one thing that you can do is, let's open this video here, fix your slow computer, 5 easy steps. It has 1.6 million of views. So what you can do is click here somewhere on the page, on the white, then view page source, and then Control F or search for category. And then you will find, okay, so this guy is using category science and technology. Fair enough. Let's go to the second video. This one video is about make your computer and speed up laptop 200% faster. 2.3 million of views. Okay, view page source, search with double quotation marks, because if you don't search with double quotation marks, then you will find around 18 or 19 mentions of the category in this HTML and the page source. Search with the double quotation marks and then you will find only one. This one is also using science and technology. Okay, let's go to the next video. How to edit so good that your viewers get addicted to your videos. Very nice title, 3.1 million of views. Page source, search, click down. Okay, this guy is using education category. Okay, let's go a step further. 13 mind-blowing video editing tips. Again, a lot of million views. View page source. Category. This one is using film and animation, so something completely different. Okay, then couple of more. Okay, view page source. This one is using entertainment. So this is now the fourth or fifth category that mostly the same kind of videos are using. You know, different tutorials, etc. Then we have, of course, the most popular YouTuber currently with, I think, 370 million subscribers. Let's see what he is using. MrBeast is using entertainment. So this is not a surprise. Obviously, he would not use porn or something like that. Yeah. And then let's take a look at this channel. It's a very popular, good channel regarding fitness, AthleanX. In this video, I can't believe this. Outrageous fitness video. View page source. Category. So he's using how to and style. And so you basically saw, I think, 6 or 7 different categories, 4 different categories for mostly the same videos. So what can we conclude here? So let's ask, who else than ChatGPT? So which category do YouTuber with tech tutorials use the most? Because this is what I'm doing, this is what I'm interested in, and most likely if you are asking the similar question on YouTube, you are kind of wondering about that. So ChatGPT answers that tech YouTubers who create tutorials or how to typically use the following categories: science and technology, education, and how to and style. So if I ask him the sub question, he will answer, I did ask it previously. He answered that mainly they use how to and style. Here it answers that they mainly use science and technology or education. I don't know. I tried different ones. Sometimes I get better use with I don't know, education. Sometimes better amount of use with how to and style. I cannot say that any of that has a really huge influence on the amount of views that you will get. But I would say that being kind of a consistent in one of the category does make a kind of a impact to the channel, so that YouTube knows where to send your videos to the homepage of people who would like to see them. Yeah, so that's it. An easy way to find out the category of YouTube videos. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please do subscribe. It would mean a lot. Have a good day. Bye bye.